Take it back to where it all began. Everybody get your hands up. Everybody. Let's go.
No one knows how the story ends, but you will remember how it all began. In the beginning there was nothing, and from the void a pulse emerged, the first frequencies to ever be heard.
Dear Hardstyle, my first love, an unexpected one, comes second to none. A love story, teenage in fact. We never knew where this thing would go. When I was on you, you feel me with hope. It's hard to grow apart when your roots are tied. But all boats lift on a rising tide. We've done more for each other than we could ever imagine. Walking blindly, watching the magic happen. The door's always open. The distance is always worth closing. Thank you for finding me, for finding all of us. And even though it feels like goodbye, this is Hardstyle, baby. Our love for